Sorry, I squeezed too fast.
HIC.
Whoa!
That surprised me too.
Everything's peaceful today.
Uh-oh, did I just jump?
Every hiccup shakes the whole place.
It tickles.
These hiccups are like mini earthquakes. I can't stop. Just practicing breathing, that's why this happens.
So this is training? Yup.
Baby workouts.
Baby hiccups inside the womb are totally normal. Just the diaphragm learning how to work. See?
I'm practicing.